Please take a second to look over this disclaimer before proceeding to the rest of this video. Alfred from Amassers.com, back with another ride along trade. We're going to be sizing in and sizing out on this trade. I'm going to show you two different options. One where we just disable the partial sell, and another one to show you what it looks like when the bot does size out half of the trade, and you will be locking in a small drawdown to your account there. I want everyone that's purchased a bot watch all of this video to the end. I want guys who haven't purchased a bot to at least think about when you see somebody and they're telling you they have a bot, are they showing you any live trades? Are they showing you any trades inside an actual program? What are you seeing and what are you putting your money into? That's all I got. I'm off my soapbox. Here goes the trade. Okay guys, right here I'm inside of the MT4 for Hanko trade, and I wanna pull the bet on from the 22nd hour trade and show you what it looks like on the chart. And to do that, here's the trade right here, and I'm just gonna drop it onto the charts. Okay, here the trade starts. You can follow this little line here, and that's where the trade ends. Now these are 15-minute candles, so you can see we were in for that candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So we're in here about an hour and 45 minutes from start to end. Now, on this particular account, what we done, which is super counterintuitive, and I want you to understand why, but I want you to understand why we done this. We did not do a partial selling off half of the trade to produce realized, uh, really realized loss. So the market, we got in, pop kept coming, didn't quite make it to our expected exit, and then we start to drop. Okay, for the rest of that hour, what we done on this particular account is to turn off the sizing out, which on another account I'm going to show you we let it run and we let it size out. But only time in actually trading this will help you to trust the process. And if you go back and look at the original video, I talked about trading with margin, not necessarily just trading with stops. And this has taken me time, long time to develop that habit. But that's what happened there, and that's a really that's an easier way of doing it. You know, from here to there, and just let the market give the market a little room to breathe. But everything from version 1.3 and above, we have adjusted and made provisions that the bot has some mathematical exits that are dynamic each day, and you will sell off half. If you sold off half, that would have been a little drawdown, but inevitably the market was going to come back to where it was going to come back to. That's what I'm getting at with that right there. Now, I'm going to show you another way to manage risk in the following video, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is about where we just got into the bet. There's our trade. There's our line where it started at. Got point 0.6 on now. You can see that over here. Um, the break started and was going, but sometimes you're gonna make it to a place where the guard dog will kick in and it'll lock in profits. That didn't happen in this bet. So I'm going to show you guys what I've done, and we're going to talk about managing your risk. Um, Here's the bet starting to fall a little out of profit. We got 0.6 on here, so that's $6 a pip. And this is second. We're going to switch over to another 15-minute candle. Each of these 15-minute candles but continuing to move down. Uh, my brother likes to say, hey, they're not going to get it to you easy. You know, not all the time. Okay, now you can see we're on a new 15-minute candle. Now, here's what happened. We got a partial stop out, and you can see that over there. I'm pointing to it. That's that red arrow means. And that's why we've got two tickets, one gray ticket, and that's gone, and there's a new ticket. But there's a good thing about this, and that means now there's only, in that original bet, there's $3 a pip, because half of the bet, half of that trade is gone. It's out of here. Okay, I put another trade on equal to 0.3, and I took it right there. You could see the line where I put it back on. And again, that's just comfort and confidence in the trusting the process. Now I've still got one trade on, and you can see we're hovering a little below that. Now we're starting to get a little break. Starting to get into my resistance area, but I'm going to just wait. Getting a little pump. And once I get this bet off the table, then I have no more exposure to the market. And I never had more than 0.6 on at one time, because after the bot sold that half, sizing out, I just put it back on, but I put it back on at a lower place. So it meant I was able to exit, like you guys saw, before this bet ever even came into the money. That's another thing you can do to manage risk. There you just heard me selling, and you see my line has left. And that's it, guys. Once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.